Water, it's everywhere. Look around you. See that puddle? Water. That cloud up in the sky. Water. You, my friend, are mostly water too. It's what makes life on Earth possible. From the tiniest bacteria to the biggest whales, everything needs water to survive. Water is a simple molecule, just 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. But don't let that fool you. This simple molecule is essential for all sorts of amazing things. It helps plants grow, keeps animals hydrated, and even shapes our planet. Water is constantly moving and changing. It evaporates from oceans and lakes, forming clouds. Then it falls back to Earth as rain or snow. This water cycle is a beautiful thing, and it's been happening for billions of years. We use water every day for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and so much more. It's easy to take water for granted, but we can't live without it. So, next time you take a sip of water, remember how important it is. Did you know that about 60% of your body is water? That's right, you're basically a big walking, talking water balloon. Okay, maybe not exactly, but you get the idea. Water is in every single cell, tissue and organ in your body. Think of your body like a giant water park. Water makes up the slides, the pools, and even the people floating along. It's the lifeblood of your system, carrying nutrients, flushing out waste, and keeping everything running smoothly. Different parts of your body have different amounts of water. Your blood, for example, is about 83% water. Your brain is about 73% water, which is why staying hydrated is so important for thinking clearly. Even your bones, which seem hard and dry, are about 31% water. Water is essential for every single bodily function. It helps you regulate your temperature, lubricate your joints, and even breathe. So if you're not drinking enough water, your body won't be able to function at its best. Water is like the ultimate multitasker in your body. It plays a vital role in a wide range of functions, keeping you alive and kicking. Let's dive into some of the amazing things water does for you. First up, temperature regulation. Water is excellent at absorbing and releasing heat. When you get too hot, your body sweats, releasing water that evaporates and cools you down. Think of it like your own personal air conditioning system. Next, we have nutrient delivery. Water acts as a delivery truck, transporting essential nutrients from the food you eat to all your cells. It's like a system of canals and waterways, ensuring that every part of your body gets the nourishment it needs. Water also helps flush out. Section 4, the balancing act, water in, water out. Your body is a master of balance, constantly working to maintain a stable internal environment, and water plays a crucial role in this balancing act, especially when it comes to water intake and output. You take in water primarily through drinking and eating, but did you know that even some fruits and vegetables are surprisingly good sources of water? Watermelon, cucumbers, and spinach are like little hydration heroes. But just as you take in water, you also lose it throughout the day. You lose water through sweat, urine, and even breathing. When you breathe out, you can see your breath in cold weather, which is evidence of water vapor being released. To stay properly hydrated, it's essential to replenish the water you lose. That's why it's so important to listen to your body and drink fluids throughout the day, especially when you're active or in hot weather. Section 5, dehydration versus overhydration, finding the right balance. We've talked a lot about the importance of staying hydrated, but what happens when you don't get enough water or drink too much? Let's explore the two sides of the hydration coin, dehydration and overhydration. Dehydration occurs when your body loses more water than it takes in. It's like your internal water park is drying up and the slides aren't as slippery anymore. Symptoms of dehydration can range from mild, like thirst and fatigue, to severe, like dizziness, confusion, and even heat stroke. On the flip side, overhydration happens when you drink far more water than your body can handle. It's like flooding the water park, and everything gets waterlogged. While less common than dehydration, overhydration can also be dangerous, leading to electrolyte imbalances and potentially serious health problems. The key takeaway here is balance. Listen to your body's cues and aim for a happy medium when it comes to water intake. If you're feeling thirsty, drink up, but don't force yourself to chug gallons of water if you're not feeling it. Section 6. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Tips for a water-wise you. Now that you're a water whiz, let's talk about some practical tips for staying hydrated and reaping the countless benefits of a well-watered system. First and foremost, ditch the old 8 glasses a day rule. It's outdated and doesn't account for individual needs. The best way to determine how much water to drink is to listen to your body and pay attention to your thirst cues. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can even set reminders on your phone or use a water tracking app to help you stay on top of your hydration game. Remember that other beverages like milk, juice, and even tea and coffee can contribute to your fluid intake. However, it's best to limit sugary drinks and be mindful of caffeine, which can have a mild diuretic effect. Eating fruits and vegetables with high water content is another great way to boost your hydration. Watermelon, strawberries, cucumbers, and spinach are like nature's little water bombs. And lastly, don't wait until you're parched to drink water. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already mildly dehydrated. So make it a habit to drink fluids regularly throughout the day, especially when you're active or in hot weather. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most profound things you can do for your health and well-being. So drink up, my friends, and enjoy the countless benefits of a well-watered life.